Good morning, guys. Møller here. I got some questions regarding my switch for the Boss Katana. I have made a video in Danish for it where I use the BB box. And there's a lot of people asking about it. What does it do? Is it different than the Boss? Is there any extra things with it? All that kind of stuff. So I decided to do an English video. Now I just made a one for a customer where I use a more rectangular box, and actually it's more expensive than the BB one, and it's untreated. It's just pure aluminium. But if uncolored, it's about the same price as a colored BB box. So what does it do? Well, if you have a Boss Katana 50, and I'm talking about the 50, and only the 50, then Boss recommend you use the FX6, this one, which has two switches for controlling 4 channels, making it kind of unhandy because you can actually be necessary to switch 2 times to switch from, say, channel 0 to channel 4, where mine does that instantly. You just push the switch and you switch to channel 1A or 1B to A to B. So it's direct access to all 4 channels on the Katana 50 with one pressure and an LED indication. This client wanted green, so he got green, but I can do it in any color you want. You can put the LED above or below or whatever you want, and in actually any box you want. I'll show you the PCB. It's my own design, SMD based, with a little microprocessor on it. And it comes with a 3-meter TRS or stereo jack cable for directly plugging into the Boss Katana, and it's just plug and play, not pray. The only disadvantage this one has is that it does require a power supply. It runs on the normal -9 volt, as most pedals do. Being a guitar player, you probably have some pedals anyway, so that's why I decided to use the standard 9 volt power supply. In theory, it can run on battery, but then I need some kind of on-off switch and stuff like that, and a battery holder, and it's just. It can be done, but it's not for that price. My price is about the same as FX60. I believe it's around 65 euros. I made this one for 55 euros. And then shipping costs are a little higher from my case than from a certain German store. But that's just the way it is. I mean, I do not control the shipping company. Anyway, that's about it. It does what it does. Instant access for all 4 channels, and that's about it for the same price. I mean, in my world, that's a better option. I know what you're thinking. Does it work on the Katana 100? Yes, it does, but it doesn't really make any sense because the Katana 100's head and combo has 2 times 4 channels. And then it doesn't make any sense only be able to switch between 4. Use the switch that is made for it. It's quite expensive. The SGAFC it's called, and it's kind of a complex pedal. It's a serial MIDI based, but it's really, really good and worth the money. I use it myself, so I can't compete with that one. This is made for the Katana 50, and for the Katana 50 it's great. That's about it for now. Bye.